Today we are diving into a crucial topic, and it's how to plan your videos for YouTube success. What's going on, everyone, and welcome to your go-to source for YouTube and TikTok tips and tricks, giving you expert strategies for rapid growth. I'm Quincy Moreland. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel if you want more videos that's going to help you like this one. Whether you are a new creator or looking to revamp your style, these tips will set you on your path to growth. So let's get started. The first step to planning your content is to understand your niche, know your audience and what is it they are looking for and what they need help with. What topics are you passionate about and what are you knowledgeable in? Combine this with the research of what your potential viewers are actually searching for, such as Google search, Google Trends. What are they searching for on those things will give you an idea of what you can begin to make content on that's already super popular. So next, let's talk about content pillars. These are the main topics that your channel will consistently discuss. Think of them as the foundation of your content strategy. Planning your content in advance can save you a lot of stress and keep you consistent. I recommend using tools like Google Calendar, Trello, or Notion to map out your content schedule. Aim to plan at least 1 month ahead, noting down key dates, holidays, or events relevant to your niche. This way you can create timely and relevant content that resonates with your audience. Now, we know that consistency is key. You need to find out how often can you post a month. For that matter, how often can you record, edit, and post a month? You gotta be consistent. You've heard it before, but it's true. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, find a schedule and stick to it. And also make sure that you can maintain it. You don't want to get burnt out. You don't want to stop recording because now you're tired. This is going to build trust with your audience, and that way they know when they can expect a video from you. And although we know sticking to a niche is important, a couple of things I want to mention to you. You want to mix up tutorials, vlogs, questions and answers, and even maybe have interviews on your platform, especially if you're doing like podcasts or, things of that nature. That way it's not just one thing. People get tired of the same old thing. Have you ever tried eating the same thing for 30 days? After a while, you want a variety, right? This not only keeps your channel interesting, but it also helps you reach a broader audience. Now, another crucial aspect to content planning is SEO and keyword research. If you record the content and you make the thumbnail, but during the title and the description and the hashtags, you do not do any SEO or keyword research on what's going to help you rank higher in Google search and in the YouTube search bar or search results, you can forget it. It's a wrap. You did all that for nothing because then your video is just going to be suppressed. It might get some views, it might not. So you always want to make sure that you do your SEO and keyword research. Now, I've used tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ. These have helped me gain views on videos because it showed me what titles are going to be good, versus, what titles are just suck, right? And, even using certain hashtags, clicking on the keyword, it's showing me, okay, that's a good one to choose. This one only has so many points. It's showing me what it's rating the title and the hashtags that I'm using. So you know what? It already has too much of a search volume. Or you know what? Go after this one because not a lot of people are searching for it and it's unique, for your channel. Next thing is I would make sure you take your time doing your thumbnail. I get sometimes we want to record, edit, and hurry up and post, and we get this feeling when we post a video, right? Because we can't wait for it to hopefully take off and, get some views and some comments. But I would maybe make about 2 or 3 thumbnails and focus on, what do I think which one is going to get the most clicks, right? You want to make sure that you increase your click-through rate. And also that same title that you've given to your video before you post it, type it up on YouTube and see what comes up. The first 4 or 5 that populate, try to make your thumbnail better than those. Engagement is also a part of planning for your success. So make sure that when you do get comments, don't just comment with or click like or click heart, but maybe ask them a question. Hey, how's your YouTube journey going on? What's your channel about? Engage in something. That way they can have an opportunity to reply back. This way that video is getting more views and you're drawing attention to it because you want engagement. The more engagement, the more your video gets pushed out to suggested or recommended. And it's okay to ask, right? Ask your viewers to like, share, and comment on this video. It's nothing wrong with, hey, share this video with someone. If you give this video a like, it helps push it out so more people can watch it that need this content. It's okay to do that. Don't be afraid. If you don't ask, you can't get. And after a couple couple of days, make sure you check your analytics, right? See what's working, see where people maybe have dropped off in the video. Sometimes, you know, I might pop up something, but some intros don't need to be there. Sometimes people click on the thumbnail and they want you to get straight into the point. So if they click on the thumbnail and then you see you do this intro and all of a sudden your views drop, you know, it's because, man, they've already went and found another video that got straight to the point. So sometimes we don't need to have intros at the beginning of every video. Sometimes just dive straight into it. You know, check your retention. Check what parts of the videos they're watching longer. If you can keep them to the end, that's great, right? But find out, maybe they're watching and they drop off. Is it after you delivered exactly what they came to hear? You know, so maybe you don't mention that right in the beginning of the video. Maybe you mention it right in the middle or something, but you don't want this long video, super long either. With these strategies in place, you will be well on your way to growing a successful YouTube channel. And that is what we want. We want successful. We don't want to start and then stop because we don't see any growth. So make sure you are applying these tips, these methods, these strategies that are proven. I've done this on my channel. I'm still changing and finding out things. But as we grow together, comment below. Let me know, what do you think about some of the things that I've mentioned? Are you trying them, or are you just going off on a whim, trying and seeing whatever works? That's all for today. As always, if you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a like and share it with someone who can use this information. And hey, subscribe if you haven't already. All right, I would love to bring you content on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook that's going to help you grow your platform. I will see you guys on the next video.